feel no safe in a group I truth and no nothing for me kill a little youth. Granny see my rope on wall and boot. Head too big for me miss when me shoot.
Yeah, dog. So you know, say Chronicle clap back with Duppy Link Up. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, the amount of things the dog chat, the amount of things the dog reply to in that tune, I mean, I tell you. But one thing me I go say, know what hold back Chronicle right now. You see in the next line, you go make you know what and why the dog not to go hard.
Inform I'm a done see what him a do. Make a statement for the feds in a probably. But in a real life that is a singer with a book where fire shot in the sky and lock him here and even look. What make you left your place where you can't put a foot? In a station that ball till him puke.
Yo, remember say all of the man them running from being, you know, every one of them, you know. Because of why? The feds, police. We know that. So basically, they might try set up Chronicle. Because remember, say upon the ground, Chronicle the street. You know? So Chronicle see what go on and they might try draw him out. You get to me a fart from? Yeah, man.
My mate, sing facts, dog, the freak talk, no bring that. Remember, Tony and pussy and trim locks. Remember, Rivali, you go and get big box. Bust me, boss said, look him, they like inbox. They do not go dead, we don't look yard, bring a ring back. Glad chronic board, pull back and no slingshot. Me see this as joke, I saw him clash. You know, see all of my songs, him and sing back.
What style man I use pan your youth, bo song you sing back. And you are go on to. Are you first bring in the freaky thing in our war, Chronicle? Remember. Same see it as joke, but Malie not take it for joke, Chronicle. So you have to take it thing serious, because that's why you losing a war, you know. I tell you straight from now, you know. You have to take it as joke, but Malie Donn serious. And the man might use all the information, all of the files that them have for you. And that they might use to draw you out. So you take it as joke. The dog them not take it as joke, bro. The man them are come for your gunning, bro. So me no know. If you think say it's a play thing, the dog come out guns blazing, bro. And the man have ammunition. And I like the man not talk things with no go so. But you see the man are informer, so he must attack the facts. The case say so though.
Bleed bullets and perform with shot. Play with fire, you get burned. We live mad. Nothing don't safe. We kill boy, we kill girl. Shoulda live war, you dead front, you involved. Why do this idiot fam? Remember foreign you go meet squash man. Wanna be a puppet, wanna be a little Dan. Remember you was a blood clot fan.
Always aim to do things out of box like all Chronicle them. Them man they say some different type of thing and make you have a pre. So me patronize them man.
Shut up. Outie this so nobody no lucky this so left a bag of dopey this so that a blood I never catch up.
Oh, but the man forward it wickedness. So the man basically I say, yo, Malie Donn a foreign you come meet squash man. Where you know about squash? You the dog OG for a long time. And you a newbie. Send out, yes man, puppet. You take up a head where you can't manage, or you come up. I saw the dog I tell you that.
Just see the prayer smaddy, them a look for set up smaddy, them a look for jaw. But listen when me I tell you, little boy, bag a pillar, fuck with the memory. So tell me now you is a fan, or you is a enemy. Been fucking up your ground, that a bring me jealousy. One land and live off, and no man energy, me rise, gun and them a chip. All of them a fish, take bait, take press, nobody knows it. Headshot, chest.
Alright, no. I just said to know a while ago. Them a use all five of information with them have Chronicle for draw him out. Set him up against the feds. He lose all in visa and he can't travel. So what Chronicle do now, he afraid of Malie Donn. Not to say he afraid to clash him, but he afraid of the things them way they might go talk. You get to me I come from, so he must fear know what you want to do. In a sense, you see me?
All of them a fish, take bait, take press, nobody knows it. Headshot, chest play, none of them know miss. My Roman pick out a side, do not pick. Hey, pass me the Glock with the color rubber grip. Run out a clip, better run and never quick. First me see killers eye back a weak fence. Bet when him dead, them a say I never owe a link. Tell Joe.
Yo. So the ball as a J man, squash man, Fred man, all I know. I hide back a coward. Yo, you are going. You see, what Chronicle do in that tune, yeah? In a fire, but him a fire, if you understand. Him a hold back, me I tell you. Him a hold back.
Make space, you soon see hell gates of friends. You want link, you soon see them face. Bow switch, get liar for J-man case. Bow kill, who no try that straight and fail. Bow bad, when the wall out no run from beer. Oh God, big pussy in a gunman place. First man, Fred shot time friend, you no weird. And I saw no hide through shades when no scared. When no shaky, must be a grandpa can't trick. Nobody bow, we kill my dog. Rent them up pay for them life and we know the landlord. Badness a one dog.
Yeah, fam, I know that, bro. Me also shot me account to make when my cycle and get it time, just do the right thing and say prayer.
Alright, here we go on, you know. So in the last party, dog, I say, yo, Fred man shot him friend. First man when Fred man shot him friend. I remember say in a Florida, the whole thing will go on with J man. Them it alleged to say a Fred man shot him. I saw come fiend blood reach from the scene. So Chronicler basically I say, yo, that the only man who ain't shot. Or the first man who ain't shot. That time friend. So basically I call him friend killer in a type of we are. You know? Whatever you want to call. But that tune ya still nah get the punch where you supposed to feel. I feel like Chronicler hold back for the same reason. Because from where me analyze it and me say, yo, you know say Chronicler a fire, but him not fire, him not let go certain information. Like how Malie Donn I release some things I wouldn't know. So me feel like say, really and truly, the dog a hold back for the case for say, yo, here we go on. You don't want that boy you gotta talk something where you jeopardize certain things to me and open also investigation in me and them thing there. So the dog a use him brain and know say, yo, here we go on. Me now go look like a pumpkin on the battlefield. But here we go on, you know. I still now go Lego certain things or talk certain things. So him a hold back in a sense where him, alright, it's like him a forfeit. Him a lose on purpose, if you understand. Because me know the dog can go harder than this. But it's just that him no want to say certain things. That's why I'm keep on and say, yo, Malie Donn a informer, if you understand. Because Malie Donn attack the things them way enough people don't know about. Remember say police listen to them clash and use it against someone them, you know, and then go dig up investigation for a man with them one for a long time. So if you really make the Chronicler say and see what him do, you know understand why him not really push the way him supposed to push. Enough people not to understand and get geography. Man just nah. Him a clash, but he not a clash. If you understand. He want clash, but he not want clash. Because Malie Donn attack some things. As if a straight badness him a deal with and Ray. But him not say certain things. I feel like him da go toe to toe, foot to foot with the dog. But they see through him attack certain things and release certain information in a public way. Them think they can jeopardize the dog visa. Them think they can jeopardize the dog food. So him have to think smart, brother. Him not go think like, oh, my boy I think and just say, alright, here we go on. One and done. Kill them all and done. Whatever. No. Him a mates in future for no say, yo, him done did stay away already where he could get to travel certain way. So him no want reach back on the level the way him can't travel. So I saw the dog a preach, you know. See me. But tell you now, right now, Malie Donn 2-0. You see me? I know Malie Donn will come back with some more information. Because yo, Dancehall is a corrupt game, but we see play, man. Chronicler see play too. That's why dog now go as hard. You see me? But Malie Donn, you take it, dog. Me not gonna lie. Never expect it from you, but you surprise me because me never know say you have it in there, brother. Big man thing. And yeah, surprise me no way. Yo, me give you respect on a different level, you know. But and then again, you know, say me think Chronicler is a clash artist neither. Like every clash him going I just war tune him sing. Him not sing clash tune. If you understand. But as I say, the tune bad, they are war tune, not a clash tune. You see me? So this are the Ugly Truth podcast, and I'm your host, Pillow Talk. Tune in, lock in, comment, share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what I mean?